Hi, I'm Lara Metz, registered dietitian.
I'm Keri Glassman, registered dietitian, nutritionist, and together we have over 45 years of counseling experience. How old are we?
Well, that's a lot of experience, and we're not that old. But we want to share our tips with you. We're sitting here.
Our tried and true tips.
That's right. We're sitting here having our tea and chatting, and we're talking about that afternoon slump. So what are some of your tips, Keri?
Well, I think so many people, and we were just having this conversation, fall apart in the afternoon. And they might fall apart because they didn't properly fuel themselves from the morning. They're tired, just exhausted in the afternoon, partially because they didn't fuel themselves properly, or hydrate, right?
Yep, hydration is key.
They also are stressed by the afternoon, and sometimes that stress is built up throughout the day. And then they often just have food around, and they have the wrong food around, whether it's their kids' snacks or food in the office. So I like people, and this can be game-changing for you, so just stick with me here. If you reset and plan the second half of your day as diligently as you plan the first half of your day, it can be a complete game changer for emotional eating, for overeating, for staying energized, for feeling good, for being more clear and focused. So I like people to think about what is their snack going to be? Are they going to move in the afternoon? Are they going to go to the gym? What are they doing for dinner? And when you can plan that, again, game changing.
Right, and let's think about, you actually taught me this many moons ago, but that afternoon snack can anchor your health. So that's your anchor in the afternoon. So